Guys, it's me Tommy and I'm back again with another video. In my last video I showed you guys how I got this beautiful silk press, but in this video I'm going to show you guys my hair revert back to its kinky curly state. So let's just jump right into it. First things first, I'm taking off my wedding band because I'm going to be doing a clay mask to my hair. If you guys are not familiar with the clay mask, I will link a video to show you guys how it was before using apple cider vinegar. But in this one, I'm going to be using water. So basically what the clay mask does is that it draws out metals and toxins that it held within the bentonite clay mask. And the hair mask is then washed off the scalp where the toxins and metals flow through the drain, and it balances the body's pH level. So yep, Googled it so I can give you guys that information. So as you guys see me sectioning my hair off and applying the clay mask to my hair, I'm also going to tell you guys 6 benefits that will help with doing a clay mask to your hair and the reason why I'm doing it after getting the silk press done. And this is all the information I found online. This is not stuff from me, so shout out to all the people that provided this information on Google. So basically, number 1, it cleanses your hair by removing product buildup without stripping it of its essential oils. Number 2, it clarifies your hair by drawing out dirt, toxins, and impurities, which I said before. Number 3, it conditions and moisturizes your hair. And that's the number 1 reason why I'm using it, because my hair went through, let's say, kind of a shock with having all of that heat done to my hair. So doing this clay mask is very beneficial to getting my hair back to its beautiful, healthy state. This shot right here, I'm just showing you guys that as I'm working along my hair, my curls are starting to pop a little bit more. Number 4, it imparts shine and softness. And my hair definitely feels super, super soft after I have this in my hair. Number 5, it increases your curl definition. Guys, you can totally see it in these clips, how beautiful my curls are looking. Hello, look at that. Look at those curls. So I'm just going to show you that one more time while I go into number 6. It helps clean the scalp. And if you have any conditions like eczema, it's so great for your eczema. You can also use it on your skin. I always use the leftovers and put it on my face as a mask. But I didn't do it in this clip, in this video, because I was going to head to the gym. So I'm just showing you guys just how my curls are popping. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna put a plastic shower cap on my head to let the clay mask sit in there. I believe you should leave the clay mask in your hair for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna do 30 minutes of cardio at the gym. I'm trying to get my gut down, doing some HIIT exercising. So I'm gonna put the shower cap on my head. After that, I personally, which I didn't show in this clip, is I'm gonna put on my slap cap on my head, wash the clay mask off my face, and then go to the gym. After taking a shower and deconditioning my hair, you can see the curls are clumping. And this is the number 1 reason why I love doing this, because it defines your curls, guys. Look at these curls. Oh my gosh, it's so bomb. I would highly suggest doing this if you want to have a successful wash and go, because this is without products, and look at the curl definition in my hair, guys. So you don't even need product in your hair to have a wash and go. You can literally wash and go with the clay mask, guys. Yes. So after showing you guys my hair and how it's defined, I'm just gonna go ahead and just moisturize my hair. Look at my edges, they need work, guys. I'm just gonna moisturize my hair, doing the lock treatment, so a leave-in, oil, and cream. So my leave-in is gonna be my kinky curly knot today. My oil is gonna be my oil mixture with castor oil and some almond oil and some amla and some sulfur, all of that goodness in it. And then I'm gonna follow up with my cream, which is my shea butter, roll it into my hands, and then do the palms. Yes, yes, yes. And then after doing that, I'm gonna oil my scalp with my oil again, and then I'm gonna use my Denman brush to detangle my hair, starting from the ends, working my way to the roots. I have to be more gentle because my sister said I had a lot of split ends and she had to cut about an inch and a half off my hair. So I gotta be real gentle so I don't cause even more damage to my freshly trimmed ends. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna just detangle my hair. And since you guys can see, so I have fine hair. So when my hair is straight, it looks thinner than what it really is. So that's the reason why I really don't like my hair straightened, because it just looks like it's like, but when my hair is nice and curly in its natural state, it's so thick and full and just voluptuous. I love it so much. So that's why I like to keep my hair just straight, natural. But for work, because I wear a headset at my job, I have to keep my hair out of the way basically of my headset. So I'm just gonna do my typical thing that I do all the time, almost every week, is just put it in a ponytail. Again, because my hair is so thick, I'm gonna show you guys how I do my ponytails. This is also the same method you can do if you're newly natural and you have like a TWA, which is a teeny weeny afro. I have a video showing you guys how to do that also. You just do it in sections. So I'm just gonna start with the back section, take my scrunchie, then take the side, which is already detangled, take my scrunchie, wrap it around, and then brush the other side, actually comb the other side, take my scrunchie and wrap it up. So you kind of are getting like a wash routine for me also in this video. But yeah, so that's basically what I'm doing after getting my hair silk pressed, back to being natural, back to embracing my kinks and my coils. And to resolve my edges issue, which I feel like when I straighten my hair, with me wrapping my hair at night, my scalp was incredibly sore and I think it kind of damaged my edges. So I'm gonna take this hair fertilizer and I'm gonna apply it to my edges of my hair. And then I'm gonna take some Eco Style gel to help sleek my hair down. I don't use a brush to slick my hair down because I don't want to have too much tension on my hair. I want to give my hair some TLC, so I'm just going to use my fingers to slick down my ponytail. But back to the hair fertilizer, as you guys are watching me just slick my ponytail back using my fingers. The hair fertilizer I purchased from Amazon, so I'll put the link below, but it's also my local beauty supply store. I found that has definitely helped with growing my nape back. My edges were growing back until I had this setback with my sister straightening my hair. I feel like with me wrapping my hair at night, with my hair being straight, it was just really brittle since my edges are really brittle. So that damaged my hair a little bit, and then I had some braids before then. So now I just need to just TLC my edges back together. Last but not least, sorry, just went on a rant about my edges, but last but not least, I'm gonna put the scarf on my head. You guys always ask, I purchased this scarf from Walmart, so go to the ethnic section and you will see the headscarves there. I think it's about $3. So I'm taking those two kind of flaps and I'm making sure that it lays flat. And I'm also putting my scarf on inside out so that that seam doesn't cause a seam in my ponytail. Then I take the tail of my kind of scarf slash do-rag and I wrap it around my ponytail because I want to make sure that it's nice and sleek and it's molded underneath. And that's just basically my routine, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out my how I got my first silk press video where my sister presses my hair. And if you guys have any questions, leave it below and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!